Welcome to the channel. My name is Paul. I go by the Smrtman, and in today's video I have a modification for my Fiat that I have been waiting months for. I bought this mod way back when I bought the car originally. Well, I found a company called CarbonMiata that makes carbon fiber bits for the 124. If I can get Miata parts for a 124, you know that Miatas have a lot of aftermarket support. So I was able to find an insane wing for my 124. Alright, let's go ahead and jump back a few days ago when I actually received the wing in the mail. Let's unbox it. I just did very expensive wheels on the Fiat. Well, yeah, this little Fiat's becoming a money pit. And it's all in fun though, because the reason I got the Fiat over the 4C is because now I can spend money on the car. So yeah, let's unbox this. Really nice packaging. I mean, I paid for it. I need to get like a hammer or something to open this, so let's go to the basement. Alright, this could be very sketchy. Yeah, let's do it. Best way to do this. How am I supposed to do this? Oh, that works. Oh. I think I have the hang of it. Alright. Thanks for the help, Marco. I know Max is gonna help. Let's just make this easy. In 3, 2, 1, boom! There we go. We got a carbon fiber racing wing from CarbonMiata. This was made all the way in China. I ordered this when I bought the Fiat, so almost like 3 months ago. So look at this. So it has carbon fiber uprights, and these are some big uprights, I'm gonna say that. And look at this wing. Oh, I've never had anything so pretty in my entire life. Carbon fiber weave all the way down, just beautiful. And it's handmade. Packaging was 10 out of 10 right there. And so far the quality looks 10 out of 10. I love it. All right, so let's go ahead and put it on the Fiat. Yeah. I'm excited for this wing. I have it right here on top of the professional wing holder, which is the smart car. Obviously, it's not going on the smart car. This car has enough downforce as it is. We are going to be putting it on the 124. Now, when it comes to installing a wing, you have to drill into the trunk of your precious beloved car. And yeah, I don't trust myself. So I know this is a weird angle. You guys are on top of the smart car and I'm looking like all the way up. I actually haven't compared it to the car, so I do not know how obnoxious it is. And it's probably going to be obnoxious. You can do it however you want. But what I did was I kind of just visually saw where the uprights landed when I placed it on the car, and I started marking it with tape. Then I started marking out measurements. So I originally started from counting from the end of the trunk lid. So just 3, 6, and 9 inches. And it came up that the upright landed at 6 3/4 of an inch. Now you'll see that I marked 7 3/4. That's because I misjudged it the first time. So it came up to 6 3/4, which is this line. And obviously it did the same exact thing on this side. Once I figured out the line of where the uprights were, I started figuring out how far down on the trunk I wanted it. So in this case, it was 4 3/4 of an inch from this gap right here on each side. So what I did was I came up with a point. 4 3/4 of an inch, and then 6 3/4 of an inch from the edge. And this is the point where the upright lands. So now that the upright's going here, you'll notice on the bottom of the upright, these holes are not quite aligned the same. So in order to find the exact point where these holes land, I started with some more Scotch tape. Alright, what I did was I placed a piece of tape on the bottom of the upright. Now bear in mind, when this is flipped over onto the car, this back ledge right here and this is closest to the front of the car. I marked on the tape where the front of the upright goes, okay? And then I just found the holes. Okay, so I just jabbed them in there. So now I have the front of the upright marked, and I have the 2 holes perfectly aligned, right? Take it off. Bear in mind, I'm just kind of flipping it like I would. This line, which I remarked, is actually on the sticky side of the tape. and I just align it to my spot where the upright goes. Okay, so the tape is perfectly aligned. I know where the front of the upright goes, so just mark the holes. Blink and blink. And voila, now it's marked. So I'm sure there's an easier way to do it, but that's just how my mind works. So let's go ahead and drill into the Fiat. Let me measure just one more time. Measure twice, cut once. That was thinner than I expected. Fiat. This is very painful to do. I just drilled 4 holes into my new Fiat. But this is hollow back here, okay? So in order to access this, I'm probably just going to cut this out because it's covered by the trunk liner anyways. As you guys can tell, I am not a pro with the grinder yet. Completely missed my mark, but I got 2 holes drilled in the trunk liner. Don't worry. Well, that one will be covered. This one's just a giant mess, so. Alright, time to install this bad baby. Alright, you guys. I got her all installed. Let's look at this. Holy crap. Look at the carbon fiber glistening in the sunlight. Like, oh man. I love this, paired with the new bumper. Just got back from the body shop. Doesn't even look like anything happened. This is all damaged right here, and it's perfect. New tips on the exhaust, new wheels, new wing. I love it. I'm loving this car. Just took it for a test drive. It works. Hopefully you guys learned something about installing a wing. I just did it on a whim. I did it on a wing. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna go there. With the exhaust and the manual and the wing now, and this is an awesome car. I'm loving it. So it's so much fun to customize your own car, and I've never had this opportunity to really do it. So anyways, if you guys like this video, be sure to smash the like button. For more Fiat content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Y'all take care. Peace.